You've taken great care to choose a high-performance roof system that incorporates good roof design and quality products. And you've had the system installed by a qualified professional contractor. The final key to getting the most out of your roofing investment is proper care and maintenance. Like the other major components of your building, your roof system must be properly maintained to ensure that it delivers optimum performance and maximum service life. Regardless of the type of roof you have, knowing how to properly care for your roof begins with understanding a bit about the system itself. While the basic principles of roof maintenance are common to all systems, the characteristics of a specific type of system can make a difference in your approach to maintenance. Your choice of a cold adhesive-applied roof system puts you in good company. In fact, a recent industry survey reveals that the percentage of major U.S. roofing contractors using cold adhesives has increased since 1994. There are a number of practical reasons for this trend. First, the use of cold adhesive eliminates the fumes, odors, and safety issues associated with hot asphalt application. Also, cold adhesive systems provide a solution that can be used in cities with legislative restrictions on open flame application methods. Finally, some job sites, such as high-rise urban locations, present logistical difficulties for hot asphalt applications. The practical advantages of cold adhesive application are important. However, the most significant reason for the selection of cold adhesive is performance. By choosing a Siplast cold adhesive-applied roof system, you avoided hot asphalt fumes and odors and kettle safety hazards. More importantly, you removed all the performance uncertainty surrounding hot asphalt. With cold adhesive, there is a chemical bond that occurs when adhering modified bitumen sheets with compatible cold adhesives. Because of the strength of this interply bond, the chances of long-term disbonding and blister formation are greatly reduced. Laboratory testing has proven that the ultimate interply bond achieved with Siplast PA311 adhesive is stronger than hot asphalt. By comparison, the same laboratory tests show the bond strength of the cold adhesive system to be comparable to that of a torch-welded system, where materials are physically welded together. How does cold adhesive achieve this tenacious bond? Asphalt-based cold adhesives combine solvents and inert fillers with asphalt to enhance the asphalt's physical characteristics. Once the adhesive is applied, the solvents begin to evaporate and dissipate. This process is often referred to as curing. Curing begins immediately as the system is being installed. During curing, a type of solvent welding occurs, resulting in the establishment of the adhesive bond between the membranes. However, the evaporation of solvents also results in a temporary softening of the roofing sheets. With modified bitumen membranes, this softening is a normal part of the solvent welding process. This softened condition will only last during curing. It is difficult to give a precise answer regarding the time needed for complete curing, because factors such as ambient temperature, wind, humidity, and the number of plies all affect the evaporation rate of the solvent. However, under any circumstances, the sheets are only in this softened condition for a limited time. All of the roof care guidelines we are about to review are part of overall good roof maintenance. However, with a cold adhesive system, since curing can take several months, it is especially important to follow these safeguards to protect your new roof. Areas of ponded water are never good for a roof system. Drains should always be kept clear, and low spots with poor drainage should be remediated. In a cold adhesive system, standing water can impede the flashing off of solvents, slowing the curing process. With a new cold adhesive system, rooftop work should be scheduled for early in the day when temperatures are cooler. Workers needing roof access should always sign in and out with authorized personnel from your company. Limit access to your roof to prevent damage caused by contractors from other trades, such as HVAC and window washing. Setting up warning lines around newly finished roof areas will also alert workers to take precautionary steps to avoid scarring the roof. While on your roof, tradesmen should always work off of a protective surface, such as an insulation panel, a loose-laid piece of walk pad, or plywood to avoid marring the surface of the roof. Protective surfaces should also be used under ladders and other heavy objects such as toolboxes. When walking on the roof, workers should use a talc box, wear appropriate flat-soled work boots, and walk carefully without twisting their feet. Walking incorrectly on the roof when the sheets are in a softened state will result in tracking. System performance is always a critical factor to companies making an intelligent decision about their roof. Your recent roofing decision resulted in the installation of a high-performance roof system engineered with current technology and the expertise of an acknowledged industry leader, Siplast. You can be confident that by following these simple recommendations and practicing routine maintenance, your cold adhesive-applied Siplast SBS modified bitumen roof system will protect your facility for years to come.